Hello, I'm Thierry Barbé and I want to speak to you about Largo e Scherzando from Victor Serventi. This piece was proposed as an imposed piece for the Conservatoire de Paris when Delmas Boussagol was professor for the end of the year. This is a nice piece, also in the French, like aria and rondeau from Desenclos. We can say it's at the beginning like a modal piece, like Fauré or something like that. We are in D minor. And before, it's like Debussy sonata for violin. So we have this chord, D minor, and we play. And we have, in this sense, it's modal. Now we have like this. Huh? So I do again. Okay, don't forget to underline and. This is the direction of the little micro phrases. So the third bar, we continue in this idea, but it's piano, and now crescendo. Okay, so you can see that you make this melody growing and growing, longer and longer, and then piano subito. So here you have a typical Fauré kind of melody.